Hey guys, I want to show you what's in my makeup bag. This is what I travel with, and I think you might like to see what I carry. If not, just click off. Oh, I hope you guys are getting ready for the weekend. Are you ready for the weekend, baby? Are ya? Are you ready? So anyway, this is my travel bag. This is what in here. It it holds a lot. I love this little bag. I got it online and I just love it. But it zips and that's all I take with me when I travel. The only thing I don't have in here is my shampoo and conditioner. And most hotels, they have a conditioner and a shampoo that I can use, so that's not a problem. And also I don't have, of course, I don't have my flat iron or my styling brush. So anyway, this is what I take. So you ready? Here we go. A lot of people do these, and a lot of people like to see what people do. I like to see what people carry, don't you? Anyway, I got this Dove Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. Because if I don't wash my hair every day, I feel like I have to have a little freshening up. Q-tips. My Voluminous Lash Paradise. I love this. I had forgotten I had this. I ran out. I was using the Thrive. I had tried that to see if I liked it. I did like it. But I don't know if I'm going to repurchase that or not. But I ran out of it. It seemed like it dried up a little bit quicker than others. But anyway, I had this in my stash, so I started using this again. In fact, I need to get one to go in my travel. What I do is that when it starts getting a little low, the low one, then I'll just put it in my travel and then try to use it up. Okay. Then I've got my number 7 Protect my serum. Okay, I'm trying to get it all together here. This is my pure, this is a 4-in-1. I don't know if I've showed you this before or not, but it's light, and it's 4-in-1 pressed mineral makeup, and I like it. It sets my makeup. It works for me. I like it. I have a little, it's old. I know, I need a new one. This is the swatch. I do the thing that you clean your brushes. Y'all, if you don't have one, you need to have one. I'm telling you. I take it and I clean my brushes when I do it, especially when I travel. And then, by the way, my brushes need to be cleaned. I've got to do that. So I'm going to leave those out. Got one. This one I use for my blush. This one for my foundation. This one I use for concealer. This one I use for my shadow. This one my blending brush. Put them all here so I can clean those. Get those done today. Let's see what else. And then I have this other one. I don't even know where I got this one. I've had it forever. It doesn't even have a name on it. This one. And I use it. It really gets in. I mean, I love this little brush. And I don't know if it came into one of my kits or not. Okay, I've got the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum Foundation. Love this. I've got my Dove deodorant. My NYX Angel Veil Primer. This is my second one. I need to get another one. My first one I went wrong. I just love this. If you've not tried it, if it's a primer, you're gonna like it. And several of you have used it. I think Kathy Beauty Chats has used it. I'm trying to think who else uses it. But anyway, I know Kathy does. I know she likes it too. This is the Age Rewind I put underneath my eyes. I love that too. Okay, then I've got my Brow Power from It. I love this. A little spoolie on the end. And this is a taupe. I think that the color on this one's taupe. They last forever. Don't see the name on it. I mean, whatever. Exaggerate Brown Liner Waterproof. That's what I have on today. Contact lens. Let's see, I still got stuff in there. I have this on today, which is the Revlon lip tint. See, it really shows up lighter than this shows. See, it's the color. But I like it. And I just take one lipstick with me when I travel. I don't take a whole bunch, different ones. Listerine. Well, this is not Listerine. This is Crest Scope. You know, I can't find the Listerine ones very often. I have to probably need to go to CVS. I've got the navy. Got navy and the brown one I carry with me. And what I just pulled out. Little thing here. I thought I better show you what that was. And anyway, this last thing. This is where I do my blush and my eyeshadows. I've got my Hit Pan on that one. These are the Orpha Pro. And I really like it. Oh, by the way, this one right here, I have used it and still have a lot. That is Sam Sherman's brand. When she was selling her blush, I really like it. It's very pigmented, so I don't use a whole lot. It's got a little shimmer to it, but I like it. But I'm going to spin in this thing. It looks like I need to clean it up a little bit. You know how it is. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. I hope you enjoy to see what I would put in my little traveling case, and you might want to do that too. If you go into the drugstore, like in the CVS, or you go into Walgreens, and I think out west now they still have Rite Aids. Here, all the Rite Aids have closed up in Georgia, and on the coast, and they've been bought out by Walgreens. So if you can go in, go to the travel sections. Also, I know Walmart has travel sections. Also, Target has travel sections. And, you know, it's so worth it to have little ones that you can carry on the plane. Now, this one here I can't travel on because I have to pack it. These, but the small ones you can. And but when we're driving or going place to place, then I just put it in this little thing and go, go, go. I hope you guys have a great day. As I said, a good weekend. I'm repeating myself. So sorry. But be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. I love you. Until tomorrow, I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it?